Ba't ang bilis ko? Oh no! Shit! Uy! Psst! Psst! So, hello everybody, Joper here, and welcome back for another horror indie game video. Today's video, I want to play, recently I've been scrolling on to Roblox, searching for horror games, and until I found one particular game called Doors, which is, nagkaroon siya ng bago update, which is the second floor, and based on what I'm looking at the screenshots or glimpse of the game, I'm sure I want to make content about it. So, I click the play button and here I am. So, hello guys. Welcome sa ating new game ngayon, which is called the Doors. Wait, what? Nasa iyo sa taas. What the heck? So guys, basically, there's been a recent update sa game na to. Now there is the second floor. I've watched recently sa mga YouTubers a glimpse of the why is lagging? Glimpse of the second floor, but ganda lang talaga. So bago tayo pumunta dun sa second floor, I want to play it myself the first floor first. I know that there's a ending to the first floor and I want to achieve it. So baka ito ngayon. Requires rock bottom achievement. Changing room, hindi ko makapag-changing room. Change floor? Or, kala ko changing room. Change floor pala ito. Ngayon ko lang napansin. So, wala siya dito. Meaning, di natin kaya access yung second floor hanggat di natin natatapos yung first floor. So, let's go. Single player lang tayo sa ngayon guys kasi busy ang aking mga kaklase, mga kaibigan. So, alone time. Not gonna lie, pero not gonna lie talaga, alam ko yung mga mechanics na ng game na to. And sure ako nakaka-board lang talaga na wala kang kausap na iba. Single player lang. Di ko naman na-experience nito pag single player ka lang. So, let's find out. Yun. Ooh. Nice music. 5 knobs. So, bili pa tayo. Siyempre, flashlight bili tayo. Look, 50%. The hotel. First floor. So basically guys, ang objective lang natin dito is to, navigate the spell. Hindi ko naman tawag dito eh. Navigate the hotel. And di ko alam ba't tayo nangunguha ng pera dito eh. Masama yun eh. Until we reach, pa-endless tong room na to. So here we go. Ooh, so many loots. Damn, nakaka-boring naman kapag wala ibang kasama dito. Diretso lang. Nothing important here. Typewriter. Ganyan yung pagpindot ng tayo. Nothing. Game. Uy! minsan nabukas ang pinto dito. Broken door. Di ko lang guys kung sa video na to napakadilim sa inyo, pero sa akin I can barely see what's going up ahead. Damn, may kumatok sa pader. Daming doors. Literal title of the game is Doors, so expect more doors. And doors, and doors, and doors, and doors. Ooh. We're on a thieving spree. Thieving spree kung may ganong word man. Wait. So pwede ka mag-hide. Magawa na. Sino tataguan natin dito? This painting is titled Ribbons. Nice art. Damn. Oh. Why would you hide? The keys isn't there. Oh. Damn, freaking bed is glowing. Oh. Napakatahimik sobra. Hindi ako sanay na walang kalaro. Yun oh, na-charge din oh. Oh naman guys. Ano yun? What? What is that? Okay, flashlight. So ito yung pinaka-purpose talaga ng flashlight. Outline. Ano ba mag-jumpscare sa akin dito? My neighborhood. Damn, nice neighborhood. That ambience. So guys, yung mukha ko dito sa camera hindi maganda, hindi talaga maganda yung mukha ko. Trigger lights, no? Kadilim. Ngayon madilim na. The power of flashlight. Mamatay ilaw kanina. First time yan. We're speed running this. number is that? 17? 17. So, dito tayo pupunta. Fake door. Damn, the lighting here is delayed. Long hallway. Pink room with nothing in it. Oh. So guys, if you are wondering but late or have no contents on my, what the hell is that, my YouTube channel, I've been busy. Being a college student is, well, not technically easy, if I should say so myself. What? Don't tell me you can't even carry a... Oh, it's glowing. Very significant room. So yun yung reason ko ba't hindi ako nakapag-upload masyado sa aking YouTube channel and hindi ako nakapag-live sa aking Facebook page. Bala ko rin na i-update yung yung profile ng aking channel and gusto ko talaga na magkaroon ako ng parang goal na everyday there will be 2 uploads. Daming doors dito. Everyday na may 2 content and nahihirapan akong magganap ng eco-content ko. That's why walang masyadong upload sa aking YouTube channel. If you want, pwede naman kayo suggest any games, horror games, any type of games that you want me to play. So that's okay. Flickering lights. Patay muna natin siya. Ba't lumabas ako bigla? Damn, nagulat ako dun . Dito. Clock. With nothing in it. There, lever. Maybe later this day I will make content about the new game. Well, basically it's a demo. The Jar Creation, I have played the original game back then, but I didn't have the PC power to even record a glimpse of the game. So that's why I want to play it and make content about it in this day. Sorry guys sa pag-English ko. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-English masyadong maayos kapag nasa harap ng camera. Pero mag-i-improve yan. Wait lang kayo. Gusto ko kasing mag-English para yung content ko mag-reach out to other other languages. May nagpe-flicker. Pero damn, so binigyan niya na ako ng free ano. Dahil, ba't may mga mata na dito? This isn't a plane. Then, ba't nagalaw mag-isa yung ano ko? Mouse ko. 34. Don't tell me na chase-in na to. Hindi pa ako handa. Sabi ni let's go. Oh no! Shit. That was close. Editor, can you mute the profanity words, please? That wasn't intentional. Okay, moving on. So we're at the first floor. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang anong floor pa to eh. What? Yun. What? Siguro ambient sound lang. Damn, ba't ang bilis ko? Daya nun ah. Katapos na sa running scene, meron na agad ganun. Uy! Galing yun. Kill. Slide. Yummy gold. Oh no. Saan kayo galing? No sound cues na nandito kayo? Yo, bago tong room na to ah. Wala nakita to ah. Room 50. Ay, na to. Uy! What? Shot. Nag-stop siya dito. Out muna ako doon kung wala. What? So may 3 ano na ako. Star I1. Kung para saan yun? Saan to? Tago. Get out of here. You are not needed here. Wait. Where is he? Oh no. Any glowing books here? Maybe upstairs? There, glowing book, glowing book. Give me the glowing book. Glowing book. 4. Under glowing book. Triangle. Glowing book. Another one. So what's the code? Star. Oh, yun there. Dito pala eh. 2 5 2 4. Two, 5, 2, 4. Sabay. 7. Damn, buti nag-stop siya dun. 7. Thank you. Damn, may sign ng mundo, ibig sabihin. What? Hola, mi llamo El Gobliano. Dep shop. Hello, Jeb. So I can buy this. Ooh, crucifix. Want this. Want this. I have a flashlight, so this. Oh yeah, hombre, if you're ever looking around out there, you know, and happen to find some gold, I call this sea. you want tip? Sorry, I don't have enough. Who are you? Nothing happened. What? Why you think I'm a what? Hombre? A duende? No man, I'm a gobliano. El gobliano? That's me, and don't forget it. So this is gobliano. Hello, and goodbye. Bye-bye, Jeff. Bye-bye. So what's in here? Nothing. Empty room, of course. So, para saan to? Damn, having a flashlight is very handy. Super talaga. Event doon pero ayoko na explore yun. Damn the beats. Number 54. 55. Oh. Tomato of Doom. Damn, that's all powerful tomato. Primitives. That's basically sugar in every shape. What happened here? What is this? Ew. The hell is that? What? What is that? Nandiyan ba siya? Wala. Wala ko nandyan. Uy! 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 Large ass key. No, 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 no. You're on your own. Oh! Hello there, little spider. Encounter Timothy while looting. I don't need this. What? So there's settings here? Ano na naman yun? Damn, sa sobrang dami kong loot. Hindi ko na madala lahat. Not gonna fool me twice. Where's the lever? Damn, there's a freaking maze here. Lever. Sound effects na yun. Hindi ko nga gamit yung kandila na to. Where are you? Men. Hindi, mga aggressive na ng mga maliliit na ba? There it is. So where does this thing lead? What? flashlight is getting low battery. I need a battery. Battery, please, 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 battery, please. Switch it here. Here, 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 here. Yeah. Secret passageway. Where the hell am I? Yeah, I can use this. Of course, no one is home. I'm robbing this place. Oh. Finally. What's in here? Late for work. Nuh-uh. Your heartbeat stronger than before. What does that do? Ano pala yung key? Yun, battery sa wakas. Wait, number nito. 69. So, dito. What? Ano yun? Ah, 68. Ay, muntik na maloko na na. Dahil is that low. Hindi, nangina na ng aking kandila. Buh. Ay, mali na pindot. Ano na speedrun? Dim, sayang naman. Okay, running scene, part 2. Inom na ako agad na ito para mag-release o tumakbo. Sabi na eh. Then, ngayon mas iba ngayon, mapula na ngayon ah. Pinagandaan ko to. So may second part na ng ano. Okay. So, para yun yung crucifix. What? Damn, so 87 na tayo, guys. Sa akin. Damn, pagpatagal ba ng patagal ng progression natin, ano? You know, battery. Anis. Yo. Ano to? Burst pa ba to? Wala na. Kita na yun. Wala lang. 92. Uy! Lo! What? Damn. Hello there. You died to who you call Rush. No one's talking to us. Pay attention to any cues that might hint at its attack. In the greenhouse, there is no light that can flicker. There are no lights that can flicker. You must rely on sound cues. So, ano gagawin dun? You'll get used to this place before long. Damn. You cannot revive past this one. Damn. Door 92. 8 more floors until 100. Then we die. So rush. Yeah. Gotta feel bad. Well. Oh. Going back to lobby. Guys, that's Doors for you, a Roblox game, horror game. Oh, sabi na. That is gonna be all, guys, for today's video. Kung gusto nyo makita, kung gusto nyo ipagpatuloy ko yung Door 92, 8 more to go na lang. Tapos pa. Hindi, mandaya ng mechanic nun ah. Sino yun, si Rush? Grabe ba? Tumatunga ka dun eh. Well, anyways, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. It boosts my confidence a lot if my subscribers are watching and giving a thumbs up to my video. And if you want me to continue, hindi ako nagbibigay na ng like goals. So if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para hindi kayo maging maging late sa aking mga latest uploads. And yun lang. Kung gusto nyong may iba pa akong laruin, suggest ng mga games na gusto nyong makontent ko, comment down below lang. And if you want, you can follow me at my FB page. Saan ba banda yan? Siguro dito or dito ilalagay ni editor. Depende na sa kanya kung saan niya ilalagay yung link ng aking FB page. So Yun na naman. Thank you sa panood and see you around. Joper out.